back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I am super excited because I did some DIY projects using things from the Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see what I created, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now let's jump right into it. Our first DIY is going to be this love sign. Before I started, I ended up placing all of the items where I wanted them, and then I'm going to be painting all of them individually. These are the paints that I use. I purchased it at Walmart.
You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. Time flies, yet there's butterflies in my palms and in my eyes.
And here, if you want, you can stain your wood or you can leave it as is. I wanted to use some of the white chalk paint, so then that way the red would pop out even more.
What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life.
And once everything is dry, you don't have to, but I ended up applying Mod Podge, and if you really wanted to take it to another level, you can also add glitter.
Hope that you get convinced. Then I'll play something really slow.
Our next DIY is this wood bead tassel garland. And guys, I know I said that all of these things are from the Dollar Tree. This I had purchased at Walmart and I had it lying around. I wanted to use it, but I do know that they sell the wood beads and also the yarn. So all you have to do is measure the size that you want. Then from there, you're going to take the tassels of the color that you desire and attach them on it to the garland. And that's pretty much it.
You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. The brightest sky I have ever seen, the most colorful one.
For our next DIY, we're going to be doing these wood signs. I didn't film this one, but I did film the second one. All it is just me repeating the same process as you saw in the beginning of this video, where I'm just painting everything individually and just gluing it on it to a sign. They have different wordings, so you can choose whichever one that you would like. I would recommend that when you guys are painting on the wood, depending on the look that you are going for, that you use chalk paint because it dries fast and it's really good as a base.
No one is listening. I confess, I'll let you in on everything, even the fact that I'm obsessed with you.
Our next DIY is this standing sign, and this one was super easy to make. They have different sayings. This actually goes up on the wall, but I removed the hardware from it, and then I took these two pieces of wood that they sell at the Dollar Tree, glued them together to make it thicker, and then I glued on the xoxo wording on to that piece. And if you wanted to add another piece of wood in the back, sometimes they have like those Jenga pieces or like those squared wood pieces. You can add it to the back for extra support. I didn't need it, but in case you wanted the extra support, you have that option.
I'll let you in on everything, even the fact that I'm
Our next DIY are these heart signs, and I am completely obsessed. I love the colors on them. So you're gonna start off with a white base, apply the paint, and then once you are done and everything is dried, I then went in with my Cricut machine, added the wording. You're going to see in this video that the color of the wording is different from the color that you see in the thumbnail, and that is because when I first created it, I liked it, but I don't know if it was the color that was throwing me off because I really didn't have anything like in that shade of pink. So I went back, I took it out, and I redid it, and now I am obsessed and I love it. And I hope you guys like it too.
Walking, I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation.
Our next DIY is this Forever and Always a picture frame. Guys, I really love it. I don't know if it's the color or the font, but I am obsessed with this one as well. This was super easy to make. You just paint the frame, and then you're gonna go on Cricut Design Space, and you're gonna select the font that you want and the wording that you want. And here I'm using permanent vinyl, and that's pretty much it. It's something super simple but also super cute.
100% every day, cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life. I'm bad and I know it. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. Ooh, I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Juliet, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving, wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop.
Our next DIY is this heart love sign. I had so much fun doing this one, and there's so many things that you can do. You could either spell out the word love, or you can add your family members and names to each individual heart, or you can even turn them into like those candy hearts that have like the messages on it, or make them into like heart cookies. So there's so many things you can do with this DIY.
Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here, I'll be living, loving, wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving, wild and free.
And again, you're gonna see that I added the girls' names onto each heart, but then I changed my mind. Once again, I scraped the name off and I just added love. So if you see that change, that is why. And our last DIY are these really cute cardboard heart gift boxes. This was super easy to make, and you can add whatever you like to it. You could add candy, gift cards, money, and it's cute because you can personalize it to whoever it is that you're going to be giving it to. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of these DIYs.
And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button, also subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok, and until next time guys, bye.